What's up, guys? 10th of February. I came out here to Amshori Beach yesterday afternoon, the 9th. It was Friday afternoon, and the conditions were actually nice. Woke up this morning, and at 4 a.m. there was a 50-kilometer southwesterly blowing, and it's currently 3 p.m. and the southwesterly is still pumping here, so we couldn't come out and fish. But I just came out to have a look at the conditions. Hopefully we can put 5 rand and try again tomorrow morning. Let's have a look at the water. Wind is extremely strong here. There's nobody fishing. Wouldn't expect anybody to fish in these conditions, but water's nice. Currently spring tide. This wind is expected to go on into the night. I'm not sure what it's going to be like in the morning. Water's nice, eh? But we've had our bad luck here in Durban for a few weeks. We've had 50-kilometer northeasterlies pumping. We've had 50-kilometer southwesterlies blowing. So it hasn't really given us a chance to fish on weekends. And obviously, you know, Monday is perfect weather. Monday to Friday during working hours, perfect weather. But come weekend, that's what we get. Let's give it a shot tomorrow morning.